How to see if you have the Instagram Messenger update in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video. So let's get started right away. So there is two ways to show that you have Instagram Messenger update or you don't have Instagram Messenger update. First thing that in the top right corner you can see the this icon, send message icon. In the this icon, if the this icon will change to the it will change to the Facebook Messenger icon, then then your it will show this icon will show as the Facebook Messenger icon. Then you can then your account is on the Instagram Messenger update is messenger is updated, Instagram Messenger is updated. But and the second reason is second thing that you second way is you have to go to the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then go to the settings, and then in on the security you have to go to the access data. When you click on the access data, you come to this page, and here you can see the date upgraded to cross app messaging, and here you can see your account doesn't have any information to show here. So when it will say like this, then you don't have any Instagram Messenger update. But it will show that there is information to show here, and there is update to the messaging, then you can update here. So that's it, that how you can see it. And then you can also see it as I am saying that you can, when you go to your home page and then you go to, then you see to the top right corner, you can your message icon is changed to the messenger icon, and then you come to know that then you can say that your Instagram Messenger update is updated. So that's basically it, that how you can see that the Instagram Messenger updated. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.